Wyatt Rocks Vlogs here. Well, back to bring you back with another great vlog. We're eating ice cream, and today we are going to be spinning and burning that fidget spinner. 2.
No.
1. Part 1.
Well, actually, part 2. He didn't press the button.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's get torchy.
We already burnt it.
As you can see.
But ice cream smoking. I'm joking.
Screw it.
Okay, destroying fidget spinner time. It's really easy to bust. Holy crap, we just knocked out a bearing. Sorry for the loud noises.
So this is testing out the hammer of the hatchet.
Go hatchet.
No, I don't want to ruin my blade. Might go flinging.
We're a bunch of idiots right now. This is the second fidget spinner we broke. All of my... Holy crap.
That's got hot. Okay.
It's Bill spins.
Well, we didn't do nothing with the bearing, so it would.
That's cool.
It is. Guys, we made a mini spinner! Yay! I think this one is a lot better than that other one when we did it.
Yeah.
Wow, I cut the finger pad. My hatchet is pretty sharp.
Here it goes.
I got it.
Let's check it out. My God.
Go bye-bye.
It's under your feet.
I know. I want the bearing out of this.
Ow.
You're gonna have bits and pieces flinging at you, Wyatt. So. It's a tiny bearing. Bro, look at the second bearing.
Show to the audience. Oh my God. It's rattling my hip. Whew. That thing's tough. Ow. Ow, my ears.
Sorry for the noise, guys. I want this so bad.
Well, we'll see you guys in a little bit until he gets it out, okay? See you guys in a little bit. Back. He's cutting stuff off. I just wanted to see if you guys can see this. Oh wait, after this I should check all my videos and see how many likes we reached.
Don't tell him that.
Actually, no, I'm not actually. I think I shouldn't. I actually don't have any time for it because I had to clean my mom's house. It's not gonna come off. It's not gonna come off. It's not cutting off. Ow. There it goes. Hi, you copping me. Bite it off. You're gonna burn it off? What?
I'm gonna corkscrew it off.
Corkscrew it. Oh my god.
Damn. Work.
Ow. My balls. I'm like doing nothing. That's right. God dang. Oh my god, you're tearing up wood. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I guess we're gonna wait a little, see you guys in a little bit. Well, we're looking at the Well, we'll be back in 3. We'll be back in 10. We'll be back until a fidget spinner comes back and he breaks it. We are back. No. We're back. We're back. Fine. See you guys in a little bit. We'll get the bearing out as soon as we can. Back, guys, and he is
Bad.
God. My God! It's being destroyed by Colton. He's chipping off wood now, off the plank. Where'd it go?
A hit.
Let me see that. Oh, God. Missed. Shut up, I know. You hit it. Oh my God. Did you split it? He split it. He split the bearing.
It's in here.
You knocked the bearing out?
Uh-huh. Should be somewhere in here. Found it. Boys, we got the bearing.
Boys, we got the bearing, guys.
There it is.
Now we just have to get it brushed off. We'll get it brushed off in a little bit. See you guys in a little bit until we get brushed off. Okay, we just cleaned it off. And
It still spins.
it spins a little.
That's not good.
That means we have to break the bearing. Okay. Look at the bearing. Did you split it in half?
No. Ow. I used the flat end.
You're just trying to smash it?
There we go.
You just flattened it.
No, it went right into the wood.
We'll have to get a harder surface.
No, because I don't want to use cement, because if I hit cement might chip and shatter and crap. Wood, not so much. Wood absorbs crap. That was a hit. That wasn't.
You missed. How about you smash it again? Make the audience laugh.
ain't going nowhere. Alright.
That is nothing's happening, Larry.
It don't spin no more.
That's true. I'll put this away. Okay. Okay.
Well, let's just go ahead and say, what is done is done.
Yeah.
Well,
There's nothing really left to do today.
wait, not done yet.
Really? I don't know. Wait, yeah, I know. I know what we're doing. Yeah, we're burning it this time. But we're going to wait until next vlog to burn it. See you guys in the next vlog, part 2. Bye.